Hello everybody, and welcome back to Everything RV by Pat. Today we're going to change the oil on my new Champion 3400 dual fuel inverter generator, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that I purchased for it, and I'm going to show you that it runs on propane also, so stick around. Okay, so step one of this process is just simply removing the cover, exposing the back side. I got it up on a crate, and I got it, that's probably not a good thing, too far. Got it up on a crate so that I can pour the oil down into an oil pan, all of which on the bed of my pickup truck. So simply, we're going to just open up the oil, check, wipe all this off because there's a little excess dripping out from when I filled it. It's got a little ramp for the oil to go down. I think a couple of different funnels. I think I'm just going to use this funnel that came with it, the orange one, and it should go straight into my oil catch right here as I lean it forward. So taking the dipstick completely out. This could be funny if it doesn't work out. And there it goes. This again is the 5-hour oil change. Okay, we're ready to fill. All right, so now we're going to just add some oil. Finish off with this one. Check the level. Dipstick. Oh, we are right there. Okay, next we just replace the cover. The latch that clicks in there. That's all there is to that. I do want to tell you that I had a problem with the regulator when it showed up, as you may recall from the last video. This regulator here, this piece was broken. It had been snapped off in shipping. Obviously this one is fully connected. And so as I start this one up, I'm going to hook up to some propane, and we're going to run it off of propane. That just goes right in here. Just a quick connect. Just like that. Propane tank. Turn the gas on. I'm going to move this away slightly from the tank. There we go. Choke. Battery on. The exhaust smells of propane rather than of gasoline fuel. It's a little different smell. It's a little cleaner burning. Not as much power. 3060 watts when you're running it on propane. There it is on propane with the economy mode on. Exhaust port. And that's the sound that it makes. It's not nearly as loud as everybody thinks. Okay, now to turn it off in LP mode, turn the battery off first, turn the power switch to off, and then it will not shut off until you turn the propane tank off. It must burn out the propane that is in the line by some kind of probably California regulation. It wants to burn out the propane in the line. Okay, now my first addition to this is going to be the vibration hour meter. It doesn't take batteries. You don't have to wrap it around a coil or hook it to the spark plug in any way whatsoever. I'm going to take it out and attach it somewhere, and we'll see how it works. That'll give us an idea of how many hours we're running this thing, and let me know when it's time to change the oil again. Okay, so it says to install the counter with the adhesive strip in the back in a position with vibration coming from the engine. In motorbikes, the best part is the outer part of the chassis. In this case, I think I'm going to mount it right about there on top so that I can see it from looking above. And it won't interfere when I'm, with the width of it. So I'm underneath the height of the handle. So real easy. I'm just going to peel back the adhesive. There we go. Okay. Sure it's a nice clean surface. And I'm going to start it up again. There you have it. It's on, it's running, it's counting hours. Shut this off with the fuel. Okay, the next thing I got was this Champion power equipment cover made by Champion for the actual generator itself. Same brand, same company, so you know it's going to fit. Well, at least we think. Now, when we're not using this is off. Take this off, pop that out. Comes with a cover. Snap that in. This snaps in there, and then the whole thing clamps right on there, so it stores with the generator. Now the generator also is going to be covered up, in addition to being stored inside my trailer. But this has got a little drawstring bungee cord, and all of this, zipper handles. We'll go right under here. There we go. Now, neat thing about this zipper, allows you to reach in and grab the handle. The bungee cord around the bottom allows it to go down all the way over the wheels. And again, zipper on this side if I need to lock it down or what have you. And there you have it. There she is, my champion generator, covered no less, for storage. Runs on propane or gasoline. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Again, we really appreciate all the patronage, likes, shares, thumbs up, subscribers. All of that is welcome. We hope that you got something out of this, and hope that you will continue to watch and like and subscribe. I'll put a link in the description for both the counter and the cover as well. Thank you very much for watching. And as always, we hope to see you out on the road. This has been Everything RV by Pat.